Welcome back to Rustic Roots Build. Today we are following Shoyan, an experienced Japanese carpenter with over 50 years of woodworking experience. He is also a licensed architect and building technician. Using decades of skill and traditional Japanese craftsmanship, he is building another beautiful wooden home step by step. Let's watch how this remarkable project comes to life. The main wooden beams are first being laid out across the concrete foundation and carefully measured according to the building layout. Holes are then being drilled into each timber so they can fit onto the anchor bolts already installed in the concrete. Finally, protective foundation strips are being installed along the concrete edges, preparing a strong and durable base for the wooden frame. First, the strong wooden foundation beams are arranged and firmly secured with large nuts using a drill machine according to precise measurements, so the entire floor structure remains perfectly level and does not loosen in the future. Next, the upper vertical wooden posts are carefully lifted and installed onto the base frame to separate the interior rooms from the very beginning, so the main wall structure stays straight, well balanced, and each room's layout is built correctly for long-term durability. With the ground floor completed, OSB boards are firmly secured to the upper frame using a nail gun according to precise measurements, so the upper floor remains perfectly level and strong. Next, vertical wooden posts are carefully installed by the skilled workers to ensure the upper wall structure stays straight, well balanced, and highly durable for a long time. Work on the main roof begins as the heavy ridge beam is carefully placed into position, so the highest point of the structure remains perfectly straight and well balanced. Next, the wooden roof rafters are prepared and installed one by one onto the ridge beam according to precise measurements, ensuring the entire roof frame becomes incredibly strong and can easily support future weight for long-term durability. Large wooden boards are installed over the roof rafters to create a strong and level foundation. A waterproof membrane is then laid across the entire roof to prevent rainwater and moisture from penetrating inside, keeping the roof structure protected. Wooden battens and roof panels are installed over the waterproof membrane and securely fastened in place, creating a strong outer roof layer while allowing rainwater to drain away efficiently. The aluminum window frame is carefully positioned in its designated opening and securely fastened with screws, ensuring a strong and stable fit for the glass to be installed later. Small metal brackets are securely attached to the wooden frame in preparation for insulation, providing firm support for the insulation material to be installed later. Large plywood panels are installed and securely fastened over the floor insulation, creating a strong and level surface that provides a solid base for the final flooring to be installed later. spaces between the wooden studs are completely filled with insulation. A vapor barrier is then installed over the insulation and securely stapled in place to prevent moisture from entering and to maintain the insulation's effectiveness over time. Before installing the roof eaves, a wooden support frame is built and securely fixed according to the required measurements. The eaves panels are then installed one by one over the frame, creating a strong and precise finish. Before installing the wooden floorboards, a special adhesive is applied to the floor. The boards are then carefully positioned and secured with a nail gun, ensuring they stay firmly in place and provide a durable finish. The stair stringer is first cut to the required measurements with precise notches. This support forms the main structure of the staircase, providing a strong base for the stair treads to be installed securely. The wooden stair treads are carefully fitted into the notches of the stair stringers one by one. Each tread is then securely fastened, creating a strong, safe, and long-lasting staircase. Before installing the wooden ceiling panels, thin wooden battens are securely fixed beneath the roof at the required spacing. These battens provide a strong support for attaching the ceiling boards laid. Long wooden support boards are installed over the battens to create a solid base for the wooden ceiling panels. These supports hold the panels firmly in place and make the entire ceiling stronger and more stable. A wooden safety guardrail is being built around the stair opening on the second floor. The frame is being assembled to the required measurements and securely fastened with screws to create a strong railing that provides safe protection. The ceiling work is now beginning in the home's exterior porch area. Thin wooden battens are being installed and securely fastened at the required spacing to provide a strong base for the wooden ceiling panels that will be installed later. installation of wooden exterior wall cladding is now underway. The wooden boards are being fitted one by one according to the required measurements, providing durable protection while enhancing the home's exterior appearance. Work is underway on the living room TV unit. The lower storage and shelves are being installed to keep essential items organized. Once all the work is complete, the TV will be mounted in the center, creating a comfortable entertainment space for the whole family. An interior section of the house is being built. First, a wooden floor base is being assembled, followed by installing wall panels to create a separate functional space. The thick wooden beams are being measured and cut to size for the veranda's main structure. They will then be joined together to build a strong and durable veranda frame. The veranda structure is gradually taking shape. The cut wooden beams are being assembled into a strong frame, which will serve as the foundation for the veranda floor and the remaining construction. After completing the veranda's wooden frame, the floor planks are being installed one by one. Each plank is carefully positioned and securely nailed in place to create a strong and durable veranda floor. After months of planning, hard work, and careful craftsmanship, this beautiful wooden house is finally complete. Thank you for joining us throughout this entire construction journey. We hope you enjoyed the process and found it both inspiring and informative. See you again in the next project. Until then, take care and stay safe.